Good evening, dear students. Welcome to your class number 2. Now we're going to put in practice what you just learned with teacher Nubita. So we're going to have a listening class, okay? We're going to perfection our listening abilities. We're going to learn to listen, which is why we have to pay extra attention to what we listen. So we're going to do this exercise with a new platform that I showed you before, which is called Edpuzzle, okay? This is the platform. It's called Edpuzzle, right? For the ones that don't know, it's Edpuzzle. This is the icon. You don't have to log in into the account or do anything. I'm just going to share a link. I'm going to share a link with you in the chat, okay? And we're going to do a little exercise. So I'm going to post the link in the chat. All right, and there it is, okay? So I posted a link in the chat. So I want you to open that link, please. Teacher Nubita, can you see the link?
In the chat, you say?
Yes, I just sent it in the chat. Can you confirm that you can see the link?
Yeah, let's.
Dear students, can you see the link?
No se visualiza el link en el, no, the chat isn't.
Okay, hold on. So I'm going to repost the link once again. All right. All right. So I reposted the link again in the chat. Can you please check? And let me know, please, if you can see it.
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to so I want you to open the link, please. Dear students, I want you to open the link. We're going to open the link, and then we're going to watch a video. Okay, you're going to watch a video. When you watch the video, there will be 3 questions. Okay, you have to answer the questions. Okay, there are multiple choice questions. The video is about the superlatives. Okay, how to create superlatives with the different rules, with superlatives with 1 syllable, with 2 syllables, irregular superlatives. Okay, so I want you to watch the video and answer the questions and choose the best option, okay? And I'm going to see the results in my account, okay? I'm going to see what you write, your results in my screen, okay? So please, everybody, open the link and watch the video and answer the questions, okay? So let's start. Right, in the meantime, I'm going to be checking my results to see who has completed the assignment, okay? So just open the link. Just open the link and let's watch the video. Okay, so we still have students joining into the account. All right. Teacher Novita, can you see the video? Teacher Novita, can you see the video? Or dear students, can you see the video? Hello, can everybody listen to me?
Sí se ve.
Okay, thank you. All right, so just listen to the video, okay? Pay extra attention to your listening skills. Listen to the video, and then there will be questions in the video. Like the video goes by sections. So when you finish the section 1, there will be a question. When you finish the section 2, there will be another question. And when you finish section 3, there will be another question. And I'm going to see the results in my account. Okay, so far it says that I have 18 students that are, I have 18 students that are watching the video. Perfect. As you can see, I can keep track of who's watching the video and who isn't. So make sure everybody watches the video because I'm going to be grading your performance. All right. So let's keep updating. Okay, I don't see any activity coming from bronze butterfly, cheerful lime, cool watermelon, furry kiwi, goofy mango, orchid squirrel, orange ostrich, pear wolf, periwinkle horse, sparkly papaya, ruby sheep. I don't see that you guys are watching the video. What's going on? Periwinkle otter is watching the video. This student has 30% of watching the video already. Daisy Tamarind, 10%. Good job. What's happening with everybody else? I'm keeping track of your progress, so make sure you. Okay, I'm going to repost the link for the ones that say that they don't have it. Okay, so let me see if I can. So I'm going to.
Listen, the teacher.
Dígame, mija.
Well, only see the video and on the water platform do we respond?
Okay, can you repeat your question, please?
We only see the video and on the what platform do we respond?
Okay, so in the video, when you watch the video, the questions should appear in the screen, right? When you open the video, cuando abren el video, las preguntas salen en el video. ¿Correcto?
Ajá.
Ok, y ahí contesta, mija, y le da, ahí usted contesta, escoge, you have to choose the answer. You have 3 options.
Oh,
yeah, you choose
okay.
the option, okay?
Okay.
Because whatever you choose, I'm going to see in my screen, and then I'm going to give you a grade according to your responses. Okay, I'm going to update my screen so I can see what's going on. All right, so now we have more students. All right, so I have Cool Watermelon, good. Cool Watermelon is watching. Drizzy Tamarind is watching. What's happening with Tricky Mango, Trendy Plantain, Tiny Watermelon, Teal Moose, Snuggly, Jujube? What's happening with these students? I don't see any progress in your accounts. Teacher Nube, make sure that everybody is watching the video because If these students are not watching the video, they're not going to get any grade. I'm not going to give them any grades. So I'm going to give the grade only to the students that are participating in the activity. I only have periwinkle otter, green lobster, greasy tamarind, cool watermelon, salmon fox. I'm going to see if there's any messages in the chat.
Jorgito, we can look at, we can watch the video, but there are 3 options for multiple choice, but it's not possible to open just the first that says adjectives in 1 syllable ending in E, add, and 3 options, but there is no more. It's not possible to sign in or to have access to the other questions.
You cannot see the other 2 questions?
I can look at the other 2 questions, but it's not possible to open.
Okay, let me see what's okay. Let me just double check what's happening. A ver, how about the other students? Can you please, teacher Novita, can you please ask these students? I don't know who these are. Their names are not here. It says periwinkle otter. Like for example, this student has 60% watched. Can you ask this student if she was able to answer the 3 questions?
Yeah, students, can you watch the video? Say yes or no, students. If you have any problem, say to teacher Jorge, please.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, what's the problem?
Are you able to answer the 3 questions, students, or no? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, yeah. So teacher Novita, the students are able to answer the questions. Maybe, you know, because there's a lot of students that are in the platform, maybe the platform is a little bit overwhelmed.
Maybe yeah.
Okay. Okay, but they are watching. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students that are watching. Maybe I'm going to update my progress to see. Maybe I have more. Yes, I have more students watching now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I have 9 students that are participating in the activity, which is great. Okay, I'm going to see if we have already some results.
Jose, there is a link in the chat of Zoom. Click the link and you can watch the video, Jose Banguera.
That is correct, Jose. Okay, I'm going to see. All right, so I can already see some results. I'm gonna go with the first student, periwinkle otter. So this student answered correctly. Okay, she finished watching the video. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right, this student already watched already answered 2 questions. Good job. All right, let's see another student. Okay, green lobster. Okay. All right, yeah, so they are answering the questions. That's a good job. Excellent. All right, so here I have a student that's asking teacher, not able to see the video. I can download the app. I can see it. Okay, so 1 second. I'm going to send the link again. Okay. I'm gonna keep updating my screen so I can keep track of what's happening. All right. This is on time. Okay. Good job. Excellent. Video watch 100%. So Periwinkle other watched the video 100%. Excellent. All right. And he or she has the correct answers. I'm going to see someone else, 80%, Dizzy Tamarind. She's about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, she's almost done, or he's almost done. Okay. Okay, good job. Everybody's participating. I like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 16 students that are watching the video. That's excellent. Good job, guys. For the ones that cannot see the video, I'm going to play it here in the screen, so maybe you can watch it here. All right. So this is a listening exercise with the Edpuzzle platform.
In this lesson, we introduce superlative adjectives to talk about 3 or more people, places, or things. Here's an example. January is the coldest month. This means that January is colder than any other month of the year.
What is the weather like in January? Is it cold?
Yes, it is. January is the coldest month of the year. Here are 3 more examples. Tom is the tallest person in our family. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Skylar is the brightest student in our class. Cold, tall, fast, and bright are all adjectives. And they all have 1 syllable. So, we only need to add E-S-T to the ends of these adjectives to make them superlative adjectives. Some 1-syllable adjectives end with E, like the word large. In these cases, just add an S and a T. Another example of a 1-syllable adjective that ends with E is the word blue.
The bluest oceans in the world are in Fiji.
Okay, and this is where the first question will appear in your screen, guys. The first question is, what do we add to create a 1-syllable superlative adjective if the adjective ends with E? And then you have 3 options, ST, EST, or letter T. Okay, so as the video progresses, you're going to be able to see 2 more questions. All right. Okay, now I'm going to keep checking what's happening with the rest of the students. All right, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 students watching the video. Excellent. Okay, so I'm going to check the results. Let's see. We have this student. She answered the 3 questions correctly. Good job. That was great work. Let's see another student. Let's try with Gold Leopard. And we have 1, 2, 3 correct answers. Good job. That means you have good listening skills. That's excellent. All right. Let's check one more student. Let's see, Ruby Slot. And we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, good job, guys. All right. So as you can see, I'm able to see all the students that are participating in the activity. I'm very happy that everybody decided to participate. And what I wanted to tell you about this platform is that it's very useful. Number one, the platform is very useful, okay? Because it's gonna allow us to work with videos. We can customize our videos. We can put in practice our listening skills. We use this platform with listening, okay? So this platform will be able to help you with your listening skills. You will be able to improve your listening. You will be able to practice as many times as you want, and you can rewatch the video as many times as you want. So I'm gonna give you a few tips as a general feedback for this activity. Number one, whenever you have a listening activity, make sure to pay attention to every single detail. If you want, you can take notes. Make notes of what you're listening. It's very important. Number two, sequencing, right? When you're watching a video, when you make your notes, you can write down the numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3, especially when it comes to the rules of superlatives. We have to be aware whether the superlative, if the adjective that we're working with is a 1 syllable, is a 2 syllable, is a regular or is a irregular adjective, if it ends with E, if it ends with Y, okay? Or if, you know, if it's a irregular adjective, like the worst, you know, for example. So my general suggestion for you guys to improve your listening would be to keep practicing as much as you can. Like I said, make sure when you listen, pay extreme attention to what you listen. Make sure you are not distracted. There's no other noises around you, so you can listen better. You can even use a headset so that you can listen even better, because sometimes when you have background noise, you are not able to listen and you are not able to participate as you are supposed to. So I really encourage you to put in practice these suggestions that I have, especially when it comes to listening in general, okay? When it comes to listening in general, you have to work in your listening skills. Make sure you are not distracted. Make sure you have a pair of headphones. Make sure you pay extreme attention to what the instructions in the video are. Try to look for keywords, right? Try to look for keywords when you're listening on audio. And especially now that you're talking about superlatives, make sure that you practice the superlatives with cold, the coldest, you know, the warm, the warmest. And like that, you have to keep practicing and keeping extra attention to Teacher Nubita's classes. As far as I'm concerned, it's been a pleasure to be with you guys. Teacher Nubita, can you hear me?
Yes, Teacher Jorge, thank you. Thank you, students too.
Yes, thank
Teacher
you.
Jorge,
Thank you, Teacher
please
Nubita.
please send me the grades of the students of the
Yes,
project number 1 and number 2, please.
Okay, I will send you the grades, Teacher Nubita. Thank you so much, dear students, for the ones that are participating in this activity. I will send the grades to Teacher Nubita for the students that participated in this activity. 16 students participated. I hope that the ones that are still watching finish watching the video, because if you don't finish watching the video, right, let's say that you just answer one question. So I'm going to give you the grade just for that question. You will have the full grade if you answer the 3 questions. But if you just answer one question, then I will give you the grade based on just a single question. You will not have the full grade. You will only have probably 25% or 30% of the grade. So make sure that you answer the 3 questions, or else you will have a low grade, okay? All right, that'll be all for tonight. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, Teacher Nubita. Have everybody a nice night.
Thank you.
Bye for now.
Thank you. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.